Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning 2022 plate Volkswagen ID.4. This one's a really stunning model. It's got the 21-inch Narvik alloy wheels on it, and it's also part of our approved use scheme, which means you get 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, a full 142-point check and much more. This one's got the IQ full LED matrix headlamps and tail lamps on it, which is great. I'll show you the back seats now. It is a bit of a miserable day today, but this ID.4 is toasty. It's got the energy efficient heat pump that takes the heat from the battery and means it's really efficient in the winter when you're starting it up. You can also start the car up from your phone and set the temperature before you go off. So while it's charging, so it's got the temperature right, whether it's hot in the summer or cold in the winter, you can sort that out. This one's got the Florence brown interior with the Titan black, which is a really nice look. Dark headlining and a lovely pan roof as well. I'll take you properly inside the driver's seat now, but you can see the IQ light there. It's got a high beam assist, so it automatically dips the beam. So really, really good technology there. I'll take you inside the car now. Like I say, on a grim day like this, really nice cars. You do have the heated front seats and dual zone climate control as well, so you can get really toasty. Like I say, it's got the digital dash, as you can see, on all the IDs, which is really great. Because if I just move the seat back, I can show you. You can move the steering column up and down or towards you or away, and that screen stays exactly where it should be, so it's never obstructed. We've also got auto lights, as you can see there, your locking controls, ambient lighting in 30 colours. There's your display there. If I pop it into reverse, you can see it's got a rear camera, obviously really useful. Pop into park and it'll go off that. It does have front and rear sensors. The ID badge, which is embossed into the seats, and the art velours, which is like the Alcantara fabric. 2 sets of Isofix points as well, and then these captain style armrests, which are on all the IDs, which I really love. Really practical and a really comfortable solution. They can be a bit higher up than a normal armrest, so it just gives a lot more comfort, and you can adjust it as well.